Welcome back to another video. This time I'm taking you with me to Ikea. I went shopping with my mom and my son, and I really wanted to show you guys all of the really amazing home decor items that I saw for spring and summer there. I was specifically on the lookout for the outdoor patio and porch items, but as most of you will know, the Ikea showrooms really pull you in and make you want items you didn't even go for. So of course we had to take a look at everything and take our time walking through. So I'm going to show you guys the favorite items that I saw. Stick around till the end of the video so you can see what we picked up while we were there. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you're not sure how to subscribe, just check below the video, and next to my channel name there should be a subscribe button for you to click. Alright, let's get into the shopping trip. I sorted everything into categories for you guys to keep this video a little more organized. Feel free to leave me a comment below if you've been to Ikea lately. I'm super curious to see what everyone's been into and what everyone's been buying. I really love going this time of year because I love all of the plants that they incorporate and just seeing all of the fun seasonal items. So hopefully you guys will get to enjoy some of that throughout this video. And holy does my son ever love Ikea. He loves exploring the displays. He thinks it's so much fun. So you're probably going to see him pop up in a few clips throughout the rest of the video. Okay, let's talk Ikea furniture, guys. So I know that some people love Ikea furniture and other people refuse to buy Ikea furniture. I'm kind of somewhere in the middle. Like, there's a few pieces that I absolutely love and that I think are super stylish and sturdy, and then there's others that I would just never purchase because I know that they're not going to last. I think IKEA is definitely like most known for their storage solutions and being able to work out like any organizational solution that you need in small spaces, large spaces, offices, craft rooms, bathrooms. Like it does not matter. It's absolutely endless what you can do, especially with like kitchens and things too. So I definitely wanted to round up as much as I could in that department and show you guys the amazing baskets that they had and the carts and just everything that I saw that I really loved. Especially as someone who is obsessed with baskets, this is like my favorite part of IKEA. I love the lighting section at IKEA. It is just so fun to walk through. They have so many different textures and styles. I just love that they almost have something for everybody. Course, I also have to show you guys all of the cool home accessories, decor items, and housewares that I saw while I was walking through IKEA. They had a lot of new items mixed with some of their older classic items, so I really wanted to make sure I showed you guys all the items that I loved. My mom and I both picked up a few things. I wish I could have gotten more, but again, I'm a mom on a budget here. But stick around to the end, guys. As I said, I'm going to show you everything that we got if you're interested. I'm sure most of you have been waiting to get to this section, and I'm so excited to show you guys all of the faux plants and plant stands and pots and vases and everything seasonal that I saw at Ikea for spring and summer 2023. I loved this section so much. I loved walking through and seeing everything that they brought out, as well as some old favorites. I love Ikea's faux plants, and just their displays and marketing in this section is so amazing, and it just makes me want everything. Of course, I can't show you absolutely everything because this video would be an hour long, but I'm going to show you everything that I spotted that I thought was cute and that I was into. Let me know in the comments if you see anything that you absolutely loved and have to get your hands on. All right, and here is our haul from our Ikea trip. My mom picked up one of the wicker lampshades for her guest bedroom in her house, as well as a couple of throw pillow covers. She's actually already got some put out onto the furniture. She couldn't wait when she got home, so I'll show you guys those here. She loves the spring vibes that these pillowcases have. Definitely brightens up the space. We both picked up quite a few faux potted and hanging plants. So we actually both got the same hanging plant. She's using hers in a planter outside, and I have mine in a macrame hanger in my bedroom since nothing can grow in my bedroom. It's way too dark. But I also picked up this matte black plant stand. I'm not sure if it's going to be an indoor or outdoor use at this point. I have a couple of the faux potted Ikea plants here as well, but I just kind of set it up quickly for you guys to show you how it looks in my home. I have it just sitting at the end of my kitchen cabinets. Oh, I also grabbed these dark drinking glasses. I'm absolutely in love with the color. I already have the clear ones at home, and I actually needed more glasses anyways, so it worked out perfect. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this trip to Ikea with me. I know I loved getting to see all of the spring and summer decor. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you're interested in more Shop With Me videos. Thanks for watching.